Hi guys, Mitch here from Rangeland RV. Welcome to the all-new Forester Classic 3051S. This beautiful C-Class motorhome features a full 22-foot wall slide, walk-around queen bed, and an outside entertainment area. Let's have a look. So I want to go over some construction and specs on this guy right here. So this guy comes on an E450 Ford chassis, equipped with a 6.8 liter V10 TRITON engine that's going to give you 362 horsepower with 457 pounds of torque. With an engine that size, it's going to give you the best towing capacity in its class at 7,500 pounds. This guy here has a full length of 31 feet 11 inches from hitch to bumper. Now, the walls in this guy are built with an aluminum frame block foam insulated 2-inch vacuum bonded wall, a fiberglass molded front cap, and a fiberglass roof, as well with a fiberglass underbelly with 12-volt heating pads. So I want to take a second here to talk about some safety features that come equipped on this coach. So you have a lane departure warning system. In the event that you do start to drift, it is going to pop up with a warning message letting you know that you're starting to drift. It also comes equipped with side cameras and a rear camera for more safety features. It also has a Hellwig sway bar system, Bilstein shock absorbers, and a ride right air suspension system. With the combination of all those things, it's giving you one of the safest smooth riding C-Class coaches in the market. So before I take you guys inside, I just want to go over some key exterior features on the coach. Now, I had mentioned before that it did have a front molded fiberglass cap. The perk of having that is that it's going to prevent any type of tension on the front seam, reducing any chance of water coming in. It does have a high gloss gel coat fiberglass exterior on this trailer. You do have a fiberglass roof as well, which is definitely going to make it a lot stronger to a lot of the comparables out there. You do have the fiberglass belly underneath as well, and it's an enclosed belly with the 12-volt heat pads. Now the perk of that is it's going to prevent any type of carcinogenics coming inside of the cabin or any type of gas or fumes. You do have this beautiful outside entertainment area, giving you a TV if you like to watch sports or you want to catch up on a game. You have that ready to go. It has a beautiful party power awning with an LED light underneath. Now there are speakers on each end of the awning that it's going to, when the awning is out, it's going to keep all the sound because it's pointed down. It's going to keep it directed in your campsite area. So here at the back of the coach, you have your 2-inch receiver followed by your 7-pin connector. And that guy right there is what gives you that 7,500 pound towing capacity that we had mentioned before. Up there at the top is the backup camera that was mentioned in the safety features. You have your ladder here for roof accessibility so that you can get up there, check for your yearly maintenance, make sure all your seals are good, and also access your 100-watt solar panel that comes equipped on this guy here at Rangeland RV. If you want to follow me over here, now the key feature that was mentioned on this coach was that beautiful 22-foot wall slide. That's huge when you're getting down into a C-Class motorhome. That's going to give you tons of space. It's going to open it up beautifully for you. Make sure that it's, you know, nice and tall and that you got tons of head space. You also have equipped on here a full awning cover, which is really, really nice on these guys so that you don't have to get up there and clean off what's on top of your slides from the campsite, you know, over the weekend. Detachable power, tons of cargo space on this guy. Exterior storage, there's no lack of exterior storage on this guy. It comes equipped full exterior storage. So now that we're inside the coach, let's go over some amazing features. You have the upgraded carbon fiber dashboard with the Sony touch display screen up front, dual leather seats, which make it nice and comfortable. Just up ahead is the bunk space that has a 450-pound capacity up there. It does have a removable top on it, so that if you're climbing in and out, you're not going to bonk your head up here. You do have the nice 12-volt TV for the entertainment section. If you look here, you have inside the wall slide, you have your dinette with the opposing love seat on the other side. Opens it up beautifully so that if you guys are entertainers, you can fit a lot of people around here, and you're nice and close so you can talk. So as you can see, there is no lack of storage inside this unit. It does come with a lot of cabinets. Forest River does a really good job with their solid wood cabinetry. It's really nice. It's very modern, especially with the new light colors. Here in the kitchen, they give you a nice solid surface countertop with a stainless steel undermounted sink. It does come with a pull-down faucet, and it's essentially just giving you all those comforts that you would have at home, but on the road. Right here is your wireless charging station for your phone. You just set it on there. It's going to charge it up for you. You do have over here on the side of the kitchen, brand new in the industry, a 12-volt 10 cubic foot fridge. The main perk of having this new fridge in our industry is the fact that it's going to cool down a lot quicker, and 10 cubic feet is going to give you a lot more space for more food, so you don't have to run to the grocery store as often. Right next to the fridge, I love how they did this, is the pantry. They give you tons of pantry space. So making our way all the way to the back of the coach here, you're going to have your pass-through bathroom. Right here on my right is your stand-up shower and your toilet. Over here on the left is going to be your sink, your vanity, and your mirrors. You do have a nice door to close for privacy. Over on this side, you do have a full walk-through queen bed, which is part of the slide, and then on the opposing side, you're going to have your wardrobe with tons of closet space, as well as your 12-volt TV for the bedroom. So I want to thank you very much for your time in watching our video here today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We have a lot of amazing videos and a lot of information about our industry. If you do have any questions on this specific unit or anything else that we have here at Rangeland RV, please don't hesitate to check the website out or email me personally at mitch@rangelandrv.com. All right, happy camping.